Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. So, it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.